So we continue with sum number 22 now. I think I will continue that way only 22, 24, 26, 28. So I'll just complete those ones because they are all similar. So there is nothing as such which is going to be different. But I can see one of them with a tangent over here. So it's better that we take the 24, 22, 24, 26 and all. Okay, let's see. So sum number 22. Consider triangle ABC with, so it's given that AB is equals to 5.5. Yeah, AB 5.5, AC 6. AC is equals to 6 centimeters. And angle BAC is equals to 105 degrees. So first of all, we'll draw the triangle. So we have got angle A, so we'll take 6 centimeters over here. AC 6 centimeters. 105 degrees. How do we get 105? Between 90 and 120. So you're going to draw over here semicircle, 60 degree, 120 degree, from here 90 degree. Draw this line from this point on this particular circle, that is the semicircle, and 120 degree. You are going to draw angle bisector. So this is your required 105 degrees between 90 and 120. It's 5.5, so mark the point 5.5, this B, and that's going to give you your required triangle ABC. The next is construct the locus of point equidistant from BA and BC. So BA and BC का equidistant क्या करते हैं? That is the angle bisector. So this angle bisector, you draw this like this, and you draw like this. So it is the angle bisector, which will be like this. So this is the locus of AB and AC, BC. The next you have to construct the locus of point equidistant for B and C. So B and C का equidistance के लिए you need to draw the perpendicular bisector. If there are 2 points given to you, you are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. So from B, up, down, from here, up, down. So this is your required perpendicular bisector of BC. Mark the point which satisfies both the above two loci of P. Measure write the length PC. So this point over here is your point P, and you just join this PC and write down the measure of that thing. So you just measure it and write down whatever the value it is. So PC is equals to something centimeters. So that's it. That is sum number 22. Okay. So sum number 22 was related to locus. So always remember this thing. If you are learning locus, fine. But if you are not learn locus, then remember this thing, that if I have got 2 points, if 2 points are there, then the locus of two of the 2 points is the perpendicular bisector. Locus of the 2 points is the perpendicular bisector. If I got 2 lines, okay, if I got 2 lines AB and BC, then angle bisector is the locus of the 2 lines. Okay, so that is what we did over here. Locus of AB and BC was the angle bisector, and locus of BC is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so that is about locus part of the construction. We now move on to sum number 24. Draw a line AB 5 centimeters. Mark a point C on AB such that AC is equals to 3. Okay, so let's see this. This is something different sum. So sum number 24, you are taking a line AB of 5 centimeters and you are marking a point C on AC. So C is over here like this, which is 3 cm. So this is 3 and this whole thing is 5. Now using the compass only, construct a circle of radius 2.5 centimeters passing through AC. A circle of radius 2.5 centimeters passing through AC. So what do you do over here? You want the radius to be 2.5 and it should pass through A and C. So A and C se pass hona chahiye. So what do we do? So that means AC should be the chord. So what we do is we take 2.5 from here, 2.5 from here, Okay, that becomes the radius now. So this is the point over here, and with this you draw the circle like this. So this radius over here is, we know, is 2.5. Okay. What next? Consider two tangents to the circle from external point B, measure and record the tangents. So now you need to mark the tangents from here. So what we do is join this and this, and now we are going to use the method of drawing the tangents from a point outside the circle. So we are going to take the perpendicular bisector of OB and draw it like this. You get the center over here. From here, this as the radius. You are going to draw the circle, which will be passing the things like this. You get these 2 points, 1 point here and 1 point here. You just join this point with B and this C point with B. So this is the required. So this point over here is, your C was here. This is your point P. This is your point Q. So PB and PQ are the tangents to this thing. You need to measure this distance, length of PA, PQ, PB and PQ, and sorry, PB and BQ, which will be the same, and you need to measure it and write it down. So this was the sum number 24, which was asked in boards in 2016. So that was a different kind of a sum. The next one is sum number 26. So sum number 26, again very easy. Let's do it. Consider triangle ABC. AB is equal to 5, BC, and median is 4 point. Now this is a different one, wherein they are not given the size, but they are given the median. So you are given over here that 26th sum, AB is equals to 5 centimeters. They are given BC is equals to 6.8 centimeters, and AD is equals to 4.4 centimeters. So we know that it will be a triangle like this, wherein this is B, this is C, this is the point D over here, which is equidistant here, and this is AD, which is 4.4, right? This is 8. So what do we do over here for this thing is, we know AB is 5. So we do this way: you draw the line BC first. This is BC, which is 6.8. You draw the perpendicular bisector of this. So this gives you the center of this thing. So this is the center over here. This point is your D. From B, mark 5 centimeters, and from D, mark 4.4 centimeters. Okay. So this distance over here is 4.4, and this distance over here is 5. And just join this. समझा? हम लोग ने छोटा सा ट्राइंगल बनाया with this is 5, this is 3.4, and this is 4.4, and then you just extended this with those 6.8 and connected it. Okay, that is how you are going to draw this triangle. Now you need to draw the in circle to this thing. So to draw the in circle, you are going to draw the angle bisectors of two sides. 1, 2. So meeting at this point, from this point you take a D, and from here cut arcs like this to give you the required radius up to this point. This is the required in circle. Do not draw this. मैंने यहाँ पे जो arrow करके दिखाया वो दिखाने का जरूरत नहीं है. That is the radius which you don't need to show. It is only for your measurement. So understanding and drawing it over here in this particular video. But otherwise it's not required to draw this arrow का दिखाने का जरूरत नहीं है. So this is the required in circle for question number 26. I think I'll do the 27 and 28 both because they are slightly different. Plus we've got ample of time for this thing. So sum number 26 के बाद 27. Draw two concentric circles with radius 4 cm and 6 cm. Taking a point on the outer circle, construct a pair of tangents to the inner circle. By measuring the length of both the tangents, show that they are equal to each other. So we are going to draw first the two circles. So we are going to have the first circle, and the radius equals to 4 centimeters. Second circle, and the radius equals to 6 centimeters. This is the center. So we are going to draw this line. So I am going to draw the tangent from this point to this circle. So as usual, we are going to take the construction. So from here, perpendicular bisectors. So this perpendicular bisector will be like this. And from here, I am going to draw the circle, or you can just arcs. So this will be the circle like this. So this point and this point are the required points for the tangents. Just join those. Okay, the circle was not proper, that's why. Okay, so this is a tangent. So this is O, this is Q, this is A, this is B. So we'll take this as P. So accordingly we have PA is equals to PB. Right? So taking the point on the outside of the circle, construct a pair of tangents with the inner circle. By measuring the length of both the tangents, show that they are equal. So you're just going to measure this length and see what is the value. You cannot find out otherwise, so you'll have to do it yourself. So this is because this is 4, this is 6, this is 90 degrees. You can do Pythagoras theorem, but anyway it is going to be in points, so it is better that you directly find out the value by construction rather than taking it in the form of so the answer will be somewhere near 3.2 degrees Celsius. The 3.6 what's that 27 का दिया नहीं है, ठीक है. So that will be the question number 27. We now move on to the last question of this particular chapter, that is 28. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees, AB is 6 and BC 7.2. So AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 7.2 centimeters, angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so we have BC 7.2 first, B, this is C, this is 7.2. You draw 90 degrees here, so 60, 120, 90. This is the required 90 degrees. You cut an arc over here, A, this is going to be your 6 centimeters, so 6 centimeters here, this is A, and join AC. So this is 6, this is 7.2. That is your required triangle. Now, and BD is perpendicular to AC. So BD is perpendicular to AC. From here, you are dropping a perpendicular here. So from here, you are going to cut arc like this. From here, cut arc like this and just joining this particular things like this. So this is your BD, which is perpendicular to AC. Draw circumcircle of triangle BDC. You need to draw the circumcircle of triangle BDC and say the length of the radius of circumcircle. So here we are going to draw the perpendicular bisectors of those two sides. So यहाँ से एक perpendicular, take another color. So BC का perpendicular bisector will be like this. So ये आ गया perpendicular bisector. BD का perpendicular bisector इस तरह से आएगा. So that will be the next one like this. So it meets somewhere here, and then you are going to take this as the radius and draw the circle in this manner. So this is the required circumcircle, and of course the length of the diagonal, you just need to find out this distance, and it may be somewhere near 3.6. So radius is equals to 3.6 centimeters. Approximate. I'm just giving an approximate value. I'm not sure about this thing. but when you draw it, yeah, it is 3.6. Yeah, because it is exactly going to come on this particular BC at the center. So that's why you're going to get it be 3.6. Right, so this was about the chapter construction. Now, the construction, somewhere it is connected to the chapter loci, but because as per the new thing that due to the lockdown, the locus chapter has been cancelled. So that's why certain things you may not be able to understand clearly. But of course, such questions cannot be asked in the boards for you all, because the locus chapter is not there. So definitely they can ask you questions like this, wherein you didn't need to have that particular locus का part, that equidistant from this. Locus का part यानी कौन सा वाला, जहाँ पे दिया हो कि equidistant from A and B, equidistant from A, B and B, C, वैसे जब बोलते हैं वो locus का part है. So that particular part you can consider to be cancelled. But otherwise, quite an easy, quite kind of a chapter, because mainly it is about the tangents, the circle, circumcircle, incircle, and finally is the hexagon. So mainly it is of this kind. So that was about the chapter construction. So with this we end the chapter construction. Thank you.